Racing just started. We have Mangaro. First to show quickness at the start. Moving up on the outside. Ward Atlas. Kiss Me in the middle portion. Alam mo na yan. Gobelis, Easter Hope. Pandemonium. Dons and Renzi Stays comes next. Storm then down on the inside is Star Turk. In the middle portion. Magic Q. Chapel Guard while Shut Up is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. We have Ward Atlas now takes command. Moving up on the outside, Pandemonium, Mangaro in the middle portion. Kiss Me is racing in fourth. Govel is Easter Hope. Then here comes Renzi Stays. Now moving up on the outside, Don's entry. Alam mo na yan, Star Third. Storm then followed by Magic Q. Next on line now is Shut Up while Chapel Guard now racing in 14th. Atlas by length and a half. Pandemonium in second. Mangaro Govelis. Then here comes Renzi Stays. Now moving up on the outside as they swing for home. We have Ward Atlas by only a length and a half. And on the outside is Renzi Stays now saying, it's my turn to take the lead. Last 100 meters, we have Renzi Stays now saying goodbye to Mangaro. And finally, it's Renzi Stays, Mangaro. Then comes number 9, Don's entry. Alam mo na yan, starter, Kiss Me.
Tama yung datingan, Kung.